You know what I hear? I hear the clock ticking, and it's not going to stop for anyone. Time keeps moving, and it moves fast. If you don't use it, you're going to lose it. Don't waste these precious years. Live them to the fullest. The last thing you want is to wake up in 6 days, 6 weeks, 6 years, or even 60 years, and realize you haven't moved any closer to your goals. You've made no progress at all. That's the real nightmare. The thought of being stuck in the same place, watching life pass you by. So get up and go. Ideas don't turn into reality by themselves. That book you want to write, it's not going to write itself. The weights at the gym, they're not going to lift themselves. If you don't do something, nothing's going to happen. It's all on you, and the time to start is now. Don't keep waiting. Don't keep thinking about it. Don't keep planning without taking action. Stop making excuses, justifications, or reasons why you can't do it. Don't rationalize your way out of it. Take the risk. Take the gamble. Take the first step. You have to start somewhere, so start now. No more laziness, no more procrastination, no more holding back. Dreaming is fine, but it has its limits. Dreams are useless without action. What matters is what you do on Monday, Tuesday, and every other day of the week. You need to be very specific about your plans. It's time to put all the pieces together and move with urgency, because time is running out. You have 86,400 seconds in a day, and the difference between those who succeed and those who don't is how they use those seconds. Don't be slow, don't be casual, and don't overthink. You need to act fast, because life is shorter than you think, and it goes by in a blink. Live your life with a sense of urgency. Use everything you've got. Give it all away. Share what you have to offer, because if you don't, nobody else will. Don't let your talents go to waste. Live every day like it's your last, because one day it will be. When your time is up, you shouldn't have any dreams left inside you, any ideas you didn't act on. I want you to leave it all on the field. Write every book you were meant to write. Do every project you were meant to do. Get everything out there, because this is your one shot at life. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. No more indecision, no more excuses. Get up, put your feet on the ground, and move forward. Give each day everything you've got, every drop of sweat, every ounce of energy, every bit of effort, until your last breath. Don't let another day go by without giving it your all. The clock is ticking, and it won't wait for anyone. You have to take action now.